Here I have Samsung Galaxy S5 Neon. Let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the apps icon, then choose settings. Here you need to scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about device. Scroll down again and here let's choose software info. Here you should find build number and let's tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, you are now a developer. Developer mode has been turned on. So let's go back twice and here under user manual you can find developer options. Let's tap it and here you can use all the features from the following list. For example, you can disable or enable OEM unlocking right here. You can also enable USB debugging and you may use other developer features. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.